is going to be a starting of a series of van life product reviews. This is our Roadie Explorers. Now, honestly, we don't go anywhere without our Roadie Explorers, and a lot of people ask us how we stay cool in the summer months. We have two of these, and they're universal. They go over your side doors. So I'll show you how to set it up and how they work, but they're pretty convenient for sure. So they're self-contained in this bag. They come with these pulls. There's actually one more that I don't have in this bag right now, but I'll show you where that goes too. But it all comes out. See, there it is there. All right, and it just drapes over your side door, and this will fit over most vans and SUVs. Okay, so you can see that fits really, really well, and it holds up against a lot of the wind. And then where these come into play is that they snap together, right? And they just go through here just like that, and they tuck in. And there's one more that goes here. So you can see this gives you like a tent window on your window. Put these down for ventilation, and you can put your window all the way down. We have them on both doors so the air can go right through. And then we have these nice little fans that you can see right there that help to circulate the air. But as long as you have air moving, we've been really, really well. We also have a cooling blanket and a heating blanket. So we're regulating our temperatures that way. And so far we've been pretty good. And just to show you again how compact it is, I pull these out, these collapse just like that, just like you would with a lot of tent products. And then just pull it off the door. And I love that it's self-contained. So you look on the inside here, and it has a bag. You want to make sure the logo's on the outside, and then you just fold it into itself, right? It takes no time at all to really set up and tear down. And for what it provides, the quality of life, you know, it's survived a lot of rainstorms and all that kind of good stuff. So there we go. It's all back inside of its own bag. Grab pulls, stuff them in there, and you zip her up. So these, even though they look brand new, these have been through 2 summers with us, about 30,000 kilometers all across Canada. So I'll leave a link in the description below the video, but they're not that expensive. They're, I think, less than 70 bucks, and they're worth it. So we get 2 for both doors, and it's one of the first things that we set up when we deploy in a spot. So make sure you check out the Roadie Explorers. You can get them on Amazon. They also have their website, which I believe links to their Amazon links, but I'll leave an affiliate Amazon link below if you want to support the channel as well. There you go. There's the Roadie Explorer. How compact it is. Takes up no room at all in your vehicle and provides a good quality of life.